All right, do a quick take on a can-do toilet project that took place. I'm gonna call this the hyper clean, never clean toilet. We did invest in a few items. Um, for the cleaning side, we do have our Kaboom and Fluid Master. Kaboom Fluid Master. Bleach, blue, Kaboom, Kaboom. We're using it's manufactured by Danco. Okay. This is their Hydro Clean series. I'm using model HC 660, which we do have actually installed in the toilet. Okay. Now we did put a splitter here. Okay, it's a T with another T. I didn't quite have the right sequences laying around, so we made it work. No big deal. And tied it to the Kaboom, out of the Kaboom to the Fluid Master, out of the Fluid Master into the bowl. Okay, and vice versa, the other one up to the Kaboom, Fluid Master to the bowl. Okay. Now, what I do like about these Danco products is all the adjustability. Fully adjustable on your float. Okay, your shut off. Fully adjustable on your bowl level. Okay, that's that tube there is what fills up your bowl itself, and then we have our tank, right? So if you're not familiar, obviously your toilet bowl, your toilet tank. Okay, and this controls the flow, the rate. Okay, so this one here, we're going into the both, which is then putting the fresh stuff into our bowl. Okay, so I used a Fluid Master flapper. Okay, and what I like about those, this is what came with the Hydro Force. That's what they're calling that. Hydro Clean on the unit, and Hydro Force on their flapper. So standard flapper, pretty much. It's of decent quality. Nothing wrong with it, of course. But what Fluid Master does is they make it adjustable. Okay. So max water, minimum water, and so these just turn. Okay. And you can adjust. There's little clicks. And now we're almost down to the minimum. Okay. Oh, minimum. So the rate and time that it's going to stay up and let water continue to flow from the tank into the bowl. So on minimum, it's going to close much sooner during the flush, right? On max, you're going to get a longer open time. So, and there's a huge difference from min to max. So I'm a big fan of these. Okay. Once again, it's a Fluid Master product. In fact, there's the. I just picked up a 3-pack. Why not? It was like $12. Okay. So these were great. So between all your adjustability here, okay, we have you can adjust your height on these. Okay, just by turning it, and they'll go. You can adjust the height of your float, and then the rate that it actually flows into your bowl. And one other key feature on these is this right here. Okay, you pull that up, it's like a water shut off. Okay, it kills the water. So a great little feature that they have there. That would release it and it would go into fill mode. So always been a fan of these. I bought 4 of these about 14 years ago, and just used my 4th one. It's installed. This is a new one I bought on Amazon. $12-14, something like that. This does not come with a flapper. The other one was a full kit. Another unique feature of these, okay, is when you flush, okay, it comes and floats around and shoots out. And there's 1, 2, 3 holes there, plus the chute at the end, and 1, 2, 3 on there, and 2 on this hose. So now I did mod this a little bit, but this was standard years ago. It's brand new. I've just been having it in the house for a long time. It's still that way in the new kit. It's just, of course, cheaper, much cheaper made. So keep that in mind. But it still comes as the unit. So yes, the old bleach, the old blue, right? That just we would drop right into the tank, which is not good for anything in the tank. Okay, besides the tank itself, any components in there. So if you are currently using these, flush the toilet, turn the water off, flush the toilet so it drains pretty much. Lift the flapper up, cut this in half, shove it in there. And it'll now be in the fill for the bowl, so to get to the bowl. But it's not going to wreck all your, corrode or, degrade your stuff inside the tank itself. So, and the old Vanish blue drop in. Again, same thing. They just also go in your tank. Plop them in there. You are going to lose a little bit of rotation because you're now restricting the flow of the water coming through. It's minimal though. Let's say your toilet didn't like it and it had a reaction and it wasn't flushing correctly. Open the flapper, take something, pair of pliers, something, pull it out. Okay, no harm done. But that's what I've done for years, is put them down in there. Okay, and once the toilet's done filling completely and stops running, the water drains the rest into the bowl, and so it's not sitting in the water all the time that it's, I don't know what you call it, stagnant, not in use. Okay, so that's that, right? So we're replacing these two, bleach and blue, with the Fluid Master system, bleach, blue. Okay, these are just cartridges that twist in. Okay, you pull them out, put a new one in. Same thing, we have the bleach. Okay, and if you're not familiar with Kaboom, these are like disc, I suppose. You put 2 in the unit, and then I put 2 in this unit. So, not the cheapest things in the world, but they do last. These go the distance, many, many months. And you get 3 packs of these for around $18 on Amazon. So, and you can get a Kaboom unit plus, with 2 refills for around $12. So, the Fluid Masters, I got a set of these on their website for like $22. Okay, bleach and blue, and then they came with 1 and 1 from that purchase, and I bought another 4-pack of each at the tune of around, let's just say, $18. So, we're set for a couple years here with the purchases, and we should get longevity out of all the pieces in here because we're not susceptible to the bleach and blue tablets constantly soaking in it. So I did find on eBay these Kaboom competitor. Okay, I would say they're liars. That is the farthest thing from Kaboom. I got 60 tablets for, I don't know, $18 or something. It seemed like an incredible deal. Well, now we know why, right? So, and they don't even, they dissolve in a day or 2. So they're worthless. Don't buy those. They did me no good. So I went after them because they had a lemon scent, but even that's marginal at best. So, and then I do like to use these Dow presses, scrubbing bubbles. You put them on the inside of your toilet bowl on the top there. And, these last for, 3-4 weeks. One dab of Globulin, and different scents and whatnot. And it puts a little cleaner in there as well. So, yeah, I'm calling this the Hyper Clean Toilet. So, I'm real happy with how it turned out. And, we have now full control of our water level in our actual, how much water we take out with our controllable flapper, adjustable. And we can also control, how much water actually goes into our bowl, okay, through our tubes here with the fine-tune adjustment. So, and on a side note, I did throw a little, magnet thing in there. And I got a couple things just on the tubes, there's some theories for magnets in water. Am I a believer? not so much, but you know, I had stuff laying around, so thought we'd just throw it in. I think it turned out good. If you found this informative, hit the like. I appreciate it.